Okay, so now we are done with that. We saw the block, fold mountain, block mountain, fault mountain, everything we are done. Now we are moving. Now we have to see the velocity. In velocity, we have done slow movement. Now we are going to learn the sudden movement. What is sudden movement? In sudden movement, we have two part: earthquake and epicenter and focus. And epicenter and focus, further they have subdivision: P wave, S wave, and L wave. Okay, we can now we have to see. We are going to see what is P, what is earthquake, epicenter, and focus. Okay, so I want to know what is earthquake. Earthquake is the movement of the plate when the plates are collaborating towards each other. जब वो plates टकराती हैं, when the plates fall in each other, the earthquake has happened. How the earthquake happened? Because plates are moving inside the earth, interior of the earth. Okay, interior of the earth. Due to that, when the plate move, when the plate collapse toward each other, then the earthquake happen. Okay, what is earthquake? Write in a chat box. I want to, because I have given you homework. What is earthquake? You have to find it out. What is earthquake? Tell me, everyone, in a chat box. Sudden movement of the earth, right? Movement of the ground, right? Shaking of the earth, right? Yes. Shaking of the earth's surface, right? Very good. Yes. So what shaking of the earth means? When the plates are moving. Okay. When they get pressurized from the earth surface, when they get pressure from the earth surface, the inside of the earth, that is crust part, inside of the earth, the in a crust part, the plate collapse with each other, and when they collapse, the earthquake happen, and we see the landslide. What the land break into two parts or in the many parts. Okay, the land will break into a two parts, and the if you see building is fallen down, many things we get so many damage. Okay, how we are measuring the earthquake with the Richter scale. Okay, the Richter scale, if you see the you have scale 1 to 15, like that Richter scale, but we have given a name. Okay, that Richter scale, we measure the earthquake at what point earthquake will come. That if the point is 7, if we see the 7 pointer, means the earthquake is more damaging. If the point is 2 or if point is 5, the damage is less. But if above the 5, the damage is more. The causes of earthquake, what are the causes? Moving of the plates, moving the plates colliding, and the plates slide one below the others, means one below the others, the plates is like that. Okay, when the plates come this way, the earthquake will happen. This is the cause. Okay, these are the plates, these are moving in that this direction. Okay, when they come one by one, the earthquake will happen. Yes, right. Earthquake suddenly rocks and yeah, right. Yes. The occurring in the volcanic eruption, because of the occurring the volcano, because of the earthquake, the volcano also happen. If you see lava, आग निकलती है जमीन से ना, the fire is coming out, that fireballs is coming out. That volcano is happened due to earthquake. The volcano is happen. The frequent of the rocks in the layer due to tension. Tension means, what is that tension? When the earth get pressurized, when the earth get pressure on the landform, on the surface, because of the pressure, the plates break, or they move towards, or they move backward, or they one upon one transform plates. So because of this, the earthquake happen, जब प्लेट एक के ऊपर एक आ जाती है. Understood? Now we will see, this is the diagram. What is epicenter? The diagram is visible to everyone now. Okay, so what is focus? Focus is where the earthquake begin. Means this is a focus. At that point, energy is releasing in a different direction. Focus where the earthquake start. Okay, starting point of the earthquake, that we call focus. And we, when it's reached to the surface, when it's reached to the surface, that point we call epicenter, the ending point. From this point, the earthquake, we see the earthquake. This is the epicenter. What is epicenter? Epicenter is the ending point, and focus is where the earthquake start. See, you see the surface area, that surface is broken. Okay, if you see the floor, that you imagine the floor is broken, you just see the surface of the floor. But where it is started, what is the root? From the root only is started, na? From the root is weak. Okay, if you see the inside of the floor, the you can able to find out from where it started. That is called focus. That is called focus. Means, okay, those who are not able to understand, okay, one more time. जहां से, अगर आपको दिखता है, आपको दिखा आपका सरफेस टूटा हुआ है, ठीक है, आपको समझ में आया, फ्लोर आपका टूटा है, बस उतना ही. पर वेयर इट इज स्टार्टेड, वो कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? इट स्टार्टेड, यू हैव टू सी द रूट. रूट कहाँ से? वो सरफेस तो टूटा, बट नीचे अगर आप देखोगे तो नीचे का पार्ट डैमेज है, तो वहां से वो स्टार्ट हुआ है, वहां से उसकी एनर्जी पास हुई. फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट द एनर्जी इज passes and it reach to the surface. Understood? If epicenter is focus is understood, please write in the chat box, everyone. What is meant by see, plates is see, interior, inside the earth we have so many plates. Okay, because plates is moving, plates is very important, and these plates are moving inside the earth. Now we will see the definition. What is focus? Focus, in another term, we will say hypocenter. Okay, it's a location in the earth where earthquake started. Earth where the earthquake started. See, it's a location. Focus is that point from where the earthquake started, and epicenter is that point where the waves reach. The energy passes from the focus and it's reached to the epicenter. Epicenter is the location of the surface of the earth directly above the earthquake start. Okay, means this is the earth surface. I'm very bad on in drawing. Don't, just try to understand the concept. Okay, this is the focus that is inside the earth, and it passes the energy and it's reach here, that we call epicenter. Okay, yes, the place on the earth surface where this energy wave reaches the first. What I'm telling, the energy is passing from the focus, the energy is passing, and the reaching point, that is called epicenter. From the focus, energy is passing, and the reaching point is epicenter. Okay, so in epicenter we are going to see the three wave: P wave, S wave, and L wave. Okay, surface wave, this is L wave. Where the surface wave is written, this is L wave. Okay, so P wave reach first to the earth surface, afterwards S wave, and then L wave. First, P wave is reaching to the surface. P wave is not damaging, it's less damaging. L and S wave is little more damaging, but if L wave is coming, so the damage is more. The damage is more because of the L wave. P wave कम डैमेज करता है, फिर आता है S wave जो उससे थोड़ा डैमेज करता है, L wave बहुत ज्यादा डैमेज करता है. Understood? So the P wave can travel anywhere, liquid, solid, liquid, liquid, solid, and rocks. It can travel anywhere. P wave can travel all the three form stage. What are the three stage? Liquid, solid, and gaseous. Okay. From these, P wave can travel, but S wave travel only a solid part, and L wave also travel in a solid part. The direction, its P wave direction divert in the liquid form. So we will see the P wave. P wave is the first wave to reach the Earth's surface and is travel faster. Means P wave travel faster than S wave and L wave. Okay, because he is reaching to the first and his traveling is faster than S and L wave. The wave can move forward and backward. Means आगे और पीछे दोनों जगह मूव कर सकती है. Forward, it can move forward also, it can move backward also. That we are coming backward na. Okay, when we see forward and backward, means teacher sitting in the class and she is calling, she is standing 1 to 10. Okay, roll number 1 to 10, she stand in a row and she tell, bring one by one your notebook. Suppose roll number 5 didn't complete his work. So what he is doing? He is telling, okay, roll number 6, you come first. Roll number 7, roll number 8. So what he is doing? He is moving backward. So P waves also can move backward and forward. Although these waves can travel all these three stages, liquid, solid, and gaseous part, but while traveling in the liquid, the direction can change. When it moving to the liquid part, the direction can change. Okay, it is what the P wave want to go in a straight direction, but when it reach in the liquid form, the direction get diverted. The direction can move. It move to the another side. Now we are moving to S wave. S wave is the after primary wave. Wave is coming after P wave. Okay, either primary or either S, either secondary or either S wave. So S wave is moving, reaching after P wave, and the energy can, particle can lie down upward, move upward and downward. In the same how P wave is moving, same. The energy transfer also, these energy in the S wave, the energy transfer to one wave to the another wave. They can transfer their energy. how we are doing. Like, okay, in lunchtime some student have one in your group one student didn't bring his lunch box. So what everyone is doing, some small amount of your lunch box you're giving to that person, small part of your lunch you're giving B person who has not brought the same. P wave and S wave can transfer his energy to the another wave. These waves can travel only a solid part. They can travel only a solid part. Destructive disruptive means the more damaging. Disruptive means the more damage. See, P wave won't damage much. Okay, हमें कभी कभी मिलता है ना हल्का भूकंप आया. Okay, it's very less earthquake. Nothing is damaged. So means P wave has reached only the earth surface, but it won't damage anything. But S wave, when it S wave is coming, we have some damage on the earth surface. Okay, that small building has fallen down. So S wave is more some he's creating some damage on the earth surface. Now we are moving to the L wave or surface wave. We can say L wave or surface wave. These waves are reached only after when they are reaching S wave and L wave after P and S wave. When P and S wave reach to the earth surface, then the L wave is reaching, and the L wave has a high destructive means the L wave, when L wave is reaching to the earth surface, means we have more damage on the earth surface rather than P wave and S wave. Yes, someone asked me a doubt. What is your doubt?